I'm going to start one of the lecture series on the very important topic, market risk analyst or the quant analyst course in the market risk domain. So all these videos I'm going to upload on YouTube, so you can watch. And if you like my video content and the explanation, please like and subscribe my channel. So that's motivate me to create more search videos and also help you to become the highest paying role, that is a quant analyst or the market risk analyst. It is and the very highest paying role in the market, guys. If you learn the quant techniques or the quant skills, so you are unbeatable in the market and you have the high demand in the market. So let's start discussion on the course instructions or the course syllabus or the 1 year plan which I am going to use in this the course series. So let's discuss on the course introduction. So where I'll design this course for the students or the analyst or the financial professions or the person who want to increase their salary or the person who wants to work in the quant analyst or the quantitative analyst or the market risk analyst, credit risk analyst, operation risk analyst, or the liquidity risk analyst or the AML CFT domain quant analyst role. So these all the student can attend this entire course and get knowledge in this domain. So the course duration will be the 1 year, and the weekend every Saturday, Sunday I am going to put one or two lectures, okay, for you, and where I explain the details in the syllabus. And there is two videos per week will uploaded on the Saturday, Sunday, and the objective build a strong foundation in the market risks and the quantitative finance. So the objective of to introduce this course of that the build the the strong foundation in market risks. You can understand what are the factors in market risks, how the market risk domain will work, and how the quantitative finance technique will use in the market risks. Also I am use some compute financing techniques or the AML techniques or the new era of the market risks. And then the outcomes, so student, I'll make sure that you will be prepared for the risk management quant analyst or the market risk analyst role, and you will be the next quantitative analyst in this domain. So that's the outcome I'm looking from this course. So let's discuss on the course structure for the 1 year plan. So how the this course structure and what thing I'm going to explain. The duration of that course is a 12 month, and I'm uploading more than 100 plus videos for you guys. So every week the two videos will be uploaded on the my YouTube channel, and the format of this course will look like that. I'll explain you the concepts and give you some examples, and then I'll explain you the the Python code or the R implementations. I'll give you which library, which tools you need to use the Python. Detailedly I'll explain all these things to you guys, so you will be able to crack the interview very well. And at the end of this course I'll take some interview questions which is mostly frequently asked in the interview, and how to answer these questions, how to work on that. And lastly, we work on build the risk management dashboard and the case studies. I will give you some case studies and the risk management dashboard, how I'll prepare for one for you, and I'll give you some example for you. So let's discuss on that also in detail. The monthly breakdown and high level, how the course will look like, what the syllabus I'll be cover, and how the monthly we will study that thing. So in the first 2 months, we will study on the foundation of financial markets and the quantitative basis. How we'll explain some market risk concepts or the credit risk concept, war, C war, how it will work, and there the techniques and the quant techniques, quantitative techniques, mathematical concept. I'll explain you how the mathematics will work, what are the mathematics theory behind that, And then the 3 to 4 months we will discuss on the market risk concepts and the risk measurement techniques. What are the techniques we will use to put different kinds of measure. And then the month 4 and 5 to 6 we will discuss on the derivatives and the structure product, the equity product, how the derivative will work, exotic option, or the vanilla option, like Bermudian option, European option, these Asian option. We discuss all these the derivative product, how they work, how there the influencer will work in the 5 to 6 months. And then we will move on to the 7 to 8 months where we discuss the market risk model or the risk capital regulations. What are the FRTB rules and regulations, how the Basel Committee 2, 3, 4 works, and how there the impact on the market risk factor. So we will discuss on the how the model will look like in the market risk, how that thing work in the 7 and 8 month. And then the month 9 and 10 we will advance the risk analytics and the model risk management technique, how the model risk management will work, how we will create the model from the scratch and do the 360-degree analysis on that, the stress testing, scenario analysis, back testing, model creating with the Python, and feed the data to process the model and generate the output and test that thing. And then the in the 11th month I'll be give you the practical tools and risk reporting dashboards, risk reporting and the dashboard, how it will work, and importance. And in the 12 month we will do work on the capstone projects and the career presentations I'll give you. And I'll help you to give some links to apply for the market risks and in the hedge fund company, in the banking, or in the investment banking. So that way the course will look like. So let's discuss on the syllabus coverage for that course. I'll be covering quantitative foundations like mathematics part. I'll cover the statistics, Python, SQL, or the R language I'll cover as possible. And then the market risk concepts, I'll explain you the war, expected shortfall, trace testing, Greeks, how the Greeks will work, how they're the Greeks matrix. I'll give you the detailed description on that. And then we will discuss on the derivatives like options, swaps, credit risks, forex, the banking exchange derivative. We discuss on that derivatives in detail, and I'll explain you all the concepts. And then we will discuss on the risk model like a principal component analysis, stochastic volatility, different kinds of volatility. I'll explain you historical volatility, you know the impedant volatility. I'll explain you these all the volatilities. And the interest rate models, what are the SABR models. I'll explain you the Wasicek model. So different kinds of the interest rate model I'll explain you. And then we will discuss on the Basel 3 and Basel 4, FRTB and backtesting, how the rules and regulation of Basel 3 and Basel 4, for fundamental review of trading books we discuss. And then the back testing, how it will work, what are the approach you should have while doing the back testing. And then we will discuss on the advanced topic like Monte Carlo simulations, Copulas, liquidity, Ito's lemma, explain there the concepts. And then practical tools like a Bloomberg Python dashboard, we discuss on that. And then the capstones, the risk engine, and the model risk assessment. So that's all these things cover in the syllabus. So let's discuss on the career role and target after this course. So what are the roles you are going to target, where you need to work after completing this course? So you will go for the market risk analyst role, quantitative risk analyst, the management associate, or the model risk analyst, financial engineer, quantitative developer. You can go entry level role for the hedge fund organization or the investment banking quant role. So you can go target for this role. And guys, it is at highest paying and the bonus will be very high in this domain. So please touch with me and ask if you have any questions. Please do comments your questions and I'll be help you for understand. And I'll be make sure that you will your next role with the market risk or the quant analyst with the highest paying salary. So Let's thanks for attending these videos. Thank you, and please like and subscribe my channel for get the entire course for the free. Thank you so much, guys.